This is chapter 8, text 47. Kama purete dvaja prasaradekya parilena kandi sabe danda bhattahaya prabhuo janiya bhakta goshtira vijay agu badi bhare chitta kailichamai advaitera pratyati priti yukta haya agre mahaprasada dilena pataya He adbhuta priti seta hara nahiyanta prasada patiye janre hataka parayanta. The devotees arrived at a village a short distance from the Ataranala bridge outside of Jagannath Puri at the village of Kamalapura. And they saw a flag on top of Jagannath's temple, and they all offered obeisances and began to cry. So the Jagannath Mandir Dwaj, the flag above the mandir, became an udipan, an excitant or stimulant to arouse their attachment and love for Lord Jagannath, and also the remembrance of the Lord and his pastimes. Just seeing one part of the Lord can remind you of the whole part of the Lord. You may see one sock left in a room somewhere by your son when he's playing here and there. And he was playing in the morning and he threw off one sock in the corner of a room, and he went to school all day. And when you were cleaning the house, you found that sock, and then you sat down and lost yourself in reverie, thinking, oh, that sock, my son, his foot, his body, his smile, his everything. So just one article, one item connected to the object of love can unleash unlimited thoughts and feelings of intense loving attachment and remembrance of one's dearly beloved. Even in the material world, what to speak of the spiritual relationship of the lovers of God with their beloved Lord. In this case, Jagannath Swami and all of the bhaktas coming from Bengal, the Gaudiya bhaktas, they saw the flag, they said, we're almost here. We've been walking for a month. Soon we'll see the smiling face and beautiful lotus eyes blooming with ecstasy of Jagannath Chakudal. His eyes are like wheels. There's like big wheels, they're so big. The independent Lord, he understood that the devotees had arrived and he desired to go meet and greet them. So what does this mean? It means that the devotees saw the flag above the temple. It became an udipan, or a stimulant, a vibhav, udipan, and it stimulated their permanent loving mood towards the Lord, their stahibhav. Then they expressed different anubhavas, like crying or running or shouting. And when we think of the Lord, he thinks of me. Yetam mam prapadyante. As you surrender unto me, I surrender unto you. You think of me, I think of you. This is in the spiritual dynamic relationship of the Jiva and Bhagavan. In this material world, a man may be thinking of a woman and she may not be thinking of him, or vice versa. And sometimes they may be both thinking of each other simultaneously. And the wife may be dutifully and peacefully home and maybe preoccupied with thoughts of him. But Krishna and his beloved devotees are on a transcendental plane, because there's only one consciousness and one heart and one mind, and that's the mind, heart, and consciousness of God. Nityo nityananam chaitanas chaitananam eko bahunam yehu vadadati kaman. That eka, one, has been fulfilling the desires of the many since time immemorial. As it says in Ishopanishad, the definition of Bhagavan says he's the this one line always captured my attention from 1974 when I read this book first time. The self-sufficient philosopher who has been fulfilling everyone's desires since time immemorial.